As a gardening and lifestyle expert, I've learned the smallest details are often what make the space feel truly elevated. And for me, that small detail is lighting. The Artika Eclipse solar string lights have completely elevated my outdoor space, making it inviting, warm, and cozy. I'm going to take you along and show you some installation tricks and tips to make the same kind of ambiance instantly in your own backyard. 1. Pick the right spot first. This part really matters. Before you hang anything, decide where the solar panel is going to live. It needs full, direct sunlight at least 6 hours a day. Avoid shade from trees, roofs, or fences. The better the sunlight, the longer your lights stay on at night. 2. Let it fully charge before relying on the solar power. 3. Install the solar panel. There's 3 options. Pick which works best for you and your space. You've got 3 ways to mount the panel. Option A, screw it into a wall or fence. Use the provided wall anchors and retaining screws. Drill holes first if needed. Secure the panel so it faces the sun directly. Option B, stick it in the ground. Attach the ground stakes and push it into the soil. Don't use a hammer. Pushing by hand is enough. Too much force can crack it. Option C, clamp it onto something. Use the mount clamp to attach it to a railing, post, or similar surface. Tighten until snug. 4, connect the lights to the solar panel. Plug the string lights directly into the solar panel. If the lights are far away, use the extension cable. That's what it's for. Make sure connections are tight so power flows cleanly. 5. Hang the string lights. You've got a few mounting options here too. Cable ties are best for railings, fences, or pergolas. Cup hooks are great for eaves, beams, or ceilings. And screws are for more permanent installs. 6. Turn them on and choose a mode using the included remote control. Press the on-off button to turn the lights on. Press and hold to dim. The remote has multiple preset modes for quick and easy customization. Installation is just that simple, and with a remote, you can sit back and relax and enjoy the ambiance.